consultation today that was organized by the Solicitor General's office was for us to decide or give our views on whether the corruption courts should be removed from basically the courthouse, and just so that they just operate like any other normal court case that comes to our courthouse. I think the need to have FICAC or have the statistics with us today was to try and see whether that these corruption courts, are they value adding, have they been successful, have they met the needs of why it was made. But since we don't have the statistics, we don't have FICAC here today, so we can't really put a definite answer on whether it's actually working or it's not. And I think the amendment that's been proposed is to, put forward in the slide today, was to see whether we to remove the corruption courts from our court system, and for them to just operate like any other ordinary case that comes to the courthouse. Well, from the point of view of the office of the DPP, is that in terms of, say, cases of serious nature, or cases that are quite of interest to us as well, I mean, like violence against women and children, juveniles are also involved. They have a juvenile court. We've not seen any need for a specialized court for, say, for sexual violence, although there's quite a big number of that on our data, also with the courthouse, and you as media personnel will see there's a lot of rape cases and cases of sexual violence. Have never been a need by any government to say a specialized course for sexual victims, but the previous government had brought in a corruption court, so I think that's why the need of FICAC to be here today to justify whether it's working or it's not, or maybe there's a need to amend it as being proposed.